Hey guys! Kenny here and welcome back. Kamusta naman kayong lahat? I really hope you're all doing well today and syempre, sana din safe and happy kayo. Kitang-kita naman sa title, we are going to be trying out some new makeup and yung mga susubukan natin are all from Cathy Doll. You guys have no idea kung gaano ka-excited ako nung dumating sa amin itong mga product na to kasi guys, look at the models guys! Grabe, bright win. Meron tayong blush, we also have powder, may lip tint as well, tsaka brow product. And in fairness naman, packaging pa lang, it looks very impressive na and promising. Kaya excited na ako subukan sila. Kaya ayun guys, sabi ko talaga gagawin ko ng video to, hindi pwedeng hindi because I'm planning to update kasi what's inside my everyday makeup kit. Kaya ayun guys. Hopefully, meron po dito sa mga bagong products ng Cathy Doll yung ma-include natin. Ito yung first product na susubukan natin from Cathy Doll and this one is their Skinny Brow Pencil. 5 yung shades na meron dito and it retails for 249 pesos each. Which is actually super impressive kasi diba usually 3 shades lang, dalawa ganun. But sa kanila they have 5 kaya okay na okay yon. This one has a 1.5mm tiny tip. Meron siyang spoolie blending brush to help set the brows naturally. No need to sharpen, which means na retractable siya. It offers flawless finish and high-quality texture that provides smooth application. Packaging looks like this, and for me, I love it. Kasi diba, ito yung klase ng packaging that when you see sa store, talagang lalapitan mo siya and magkaka-interest ka. I mean, look at that, diba? Sobrang catchy nung packaging as in, talagang maka-curious kang malaman how it performs. Kaya, for me, sobrang love ko yung packaging niya. I honestly don't have anything bad to say sa packaging kasi super nice. And what's good about this is kung ano yung kulay ng actual component, same na same doon sa box. And of course, ganito siya once you remove the cap. Sa isang end, meron tayong spoolie and on the other side, we have the retractable pencil. And syempre, bago natin subukan tong pencil, ang gagawin ko is magsuswatch muna ako sa likod ng kamay para ma-feel natin yung texture and yung formula. It is actually nice. Hindi siya super creamy, which I love since super nipis nito, kaya okay na okay talaga siya guys. And kayang-kayang gumawa ng mga hair-like strokes. I mean, kahit ano lang light na stroke, kumukulay na siya. Ayan guys, ito yung swatch ng product. Yung shade na gamit ko nga pala guys is Sea Dark Brown. And here you have it guys, ito yung meron and yung wala. Ngayon ko lang ulit ginawa to guys and medyo nakakapanibago siya. But in fairness naman guys, since maganda yung ginamit nating pencil, mabilis ko siyang na-achieve. For me overall, I like the formula of this one because it is not too soft and hindi din naman super tigas. Kaya it's very easy to work with. Pigmentation wise, I don't have anything bad to say because kahit light-handed ka lang talagang nagsho-show up yung kulay ng product. Isa pa sa nagustuhan ko dito is hindi siya waxy, kaya okay na okay siyang gamitin guys and hindi nagpa-patch. Ayun kasi yung problema kapag ka waxy yung pangkilay, diba? Kapag ka na-drawing mo na siya tapos dinaanan mo ulit, nabubura. This one hindi siya ganun, kaya okay na okay sa akin yung formula. I like it and the color as well. Dito naman tayo sa right side ko guys and gawin natin is yung medyo light lang. Ito naman siya kapag soft application and for me, I love it guys. Super nice. Kasi diba, parang sobrang fluffy and kapal nung kilay. It looks very natural, very soft and since nga, pinong-pino yung pencil, manipis na manipis yung tip, kaya-kaya siyang ipang hair-like strokes. Very lightweight as well, parang wala kang nilagay. Kasi di ba may mga pangkilay na mafe-feel mo talaga na meron ka sa kilay na something. And also di ba minsan kasi merong mga pencil na kapag pinang-drawing mo sa kilay, ang hapde. Kasi kailangan talaga idiin mo siya, ikis-kis mo mabuti para kumapit yung kulay. Pero dito sa isang to hindi, kasi kahit light na strokes lang, makikita mo na yung kulay. Very hassle-free, easy to use, and perfect for beginners. Kaya ayun guys, kung baguhan kayo sa makeup or kaya yung hanap nyo lang na pangkilay is yung no fuss, yung perfect for everyday nga and pangmadalian. Eto guys, check nyo to. Moving on to the next product, ang pag-uusapan naman natin this time is itong Skin Fit Powder. And yung claims naman nito guys is ultra fine, soft, and weightless. It serves luminous and natural looking complexion with subtle matte finish. It keeps the face oil-free. It is long-wearing, water and sweat resistant. And this one, by the way, is in the shade Light Beige. This is how the packaging looks like. And as you can see, super cute, super compact. I love it kasi ako talaga mahilig akong gumamit ng maliliit na bag. Kaya Sobrang perfect nito. Pero ang maganda dito is even though maliit siya, meron siyang mirror inside. Tapos, meron din siyang powder puff. Light beige looks like this close up and as you can see, yellow undertone siya. When it comes sa texture ng product, actually super pino niya. Hindi siya yung klase ng powder na magaspang, gritty, or hindi ganun kaganda yung pagkakamil. Actually, kapag kasi na-swatch mo nga siya or ginaganon, talagang dumudulas yung kamay. Ganun siyang ka-soft and kapino. So yeah, yun guys, this time subukan na natin siya. And since masyadong yellow to for my skin, ipapang dust ko na lang siya all over my face. Hindi ko sure kung nakaka-capture ng camera, pero dito sa area ng face ko na to, meron pa din siyang luminosity, which is yung isa sa mga claims ng product. Kasi diba usually kapag ka-powder, what happens is flat talagang tingnan yung skin. But dito, hindi ayun parang buhay na buhay pa din yung skin. Ayun look at that, kapag nag-move ako, meron pang luminosity or shine, pero hindi siya malagkit or oily. Fairness ha, I love this powder. It doesn't look powdery and dry, which I love. Parang wala kang nilagay tapos hindi niya sinasak yung moisture na meron sa skin. You need to get your hands on this powder, guys. I swear, magugustuhan nyo to. It is so good. And I feel like magiging staple na to sa akin. Kasi tingnan nyo, diba? Unlike other powders na meron ako, I mean, love ko yung mga powders na meron ako, but this one, ibang klase. And kahit hindi ka na mag-setting spray, kasi diba, hindi naman powdering tingnan yung face. Maganda siya, guys. And to be honest, at first, medyo kinabahan ako kasi diba, when you look at it, parang super yellow niya. But once you apply it sa face, especially if you're using a brush, hindi naman sobrang dilaw. Diba? Okay yung kulay niya. Ito yung third product na susubukan natin from Cathy Doll. And yung tawag sa kanya is the Nude Matte Blusher. It contains 6 grams and 3 shades yung meron. And dito naman sa isang to yung claims nila is it is silky soft, saturated and lasting pigment with creaseless finish. And it also locks in moisture to the skin, which means hindi siya drying. Packaging looks like this. It is super cute. I love the packaging. Ano siya actually? Zip something. Resealable packaging. Ayun guys. Tapos ayan. Once you open it, direct to the point. Ganun lang siya. Actual component looks like this. It is so cute. I love the packaging. It doesn't feel cheap at all. Ayun hopefully you can hear, pero maganda yung quality niya. It is acrylic na frosted. Wala siyang mirror which I don't mind kasi nga transparent to, kaya ayun, okay lang sa akin. Maganda yung material. It doesn't feel cheap at all. Tapos very aesthetically pleasing. From top to bottom, we have the shades number 4, number 5, and number 8. Ang gaganda ng kulay guys, in fairness. Perfect ngayong summer. Subukan na natin siya sa cheeks to see if it's good. And yung shade na gagamitin ko is si 04 Pink Idol. In fairness, hindi siya powdery. Kabugara talaga formula ng Cathy Doll. And let's see how it looks like. I love it! It's so good. Ayun, look at that, diba? Sobrang lang, natural. Ang lakas maka-fresh ng kulay. But look at the difference. Yung merong blush sa wala. Sobrang lifted tignan tapos mas buhay. Medyo kinakabahan din ako ng first kasi diba yung swatch super intense tsaka pag tinignan sa pan. But once you apply it sa face, especially using a fluffy brush, ang ganda. And I'm happy as well kasi matte yung finish niya kasi diba hindi na ako gumagamit ng blush na may shimmer. Kaya for those of you na textured yung skin at naghahanap kayo ng blush na hindi ma-emphasize yung texture na meron kayo sa cheeks, eto guys, sobrang ganda niya and perfect. It's very easy to blend, hindi siya patchy at all. Sobrang ganda ng lapat sa skin. Color looks amazing. I'm obsessed. Kasi diba sobrang natural lang. Para ka lang nag-blush. Ganun lang. Even kapag ka-close up, maganda siyang tingnan. Kasi hindi siya yung klase ng blush na parang nagsisit on top of your skin. Very seamless. Ayun. Ganun yung proper term or perfect na way para i-describe siya. So ayun guys, overall for me, I really enjoyed this blush. Again, yung tawag sa kanya is the Cathy Doll Nude Matte Blusher. 3 yung shades na meron. And for me, yung pinaka nag-stand out is shade number 4. Final product na susubukan natin today is a lip product. And yung tawag dito is the Cathy Doll Glow Gel Tint. This one retails for 149 pesos. Super affordable. They have 3 shades and each tube contains 2.4 grams. Packaging is super cute and nakakatuwa kasi hindi siya yung kailangan mo sirain. This one para siyang ano ba tawag doon? Envelope. Ganon. So, in terms of packaging, as you can see, very standard lang siyang tint. Super nice, actually. I love the tube. Tapos, yung applicator niya is the classic doe foot applicator lang. And syempre, I have the 3 shades na meron sa collection. First shade is 07. Ayan guys, perfect to, especially if maputi kayo or kaya gusto niyo yung super bold na red shade. Next is 02 Peach Kiss. And this one naman is a bright pink shade. Ayan, ganito yung kulay niya. And lastly, we have the shade 06 Like Brick. And this one is stunning. I love this color. Ayan, di ba? Look at that. Sobrang perfect ng kulay niya. Especially kung mahilig kayong mag-gradient lips. Burahin muna natin yung guys, lip gloss na meron ako. And grabe guys, look at that. Few seconds lang, nag-stain na siya. Anyway, for today's video, yung shade na gagamitin ko guys is si 06 Light Brick. Maganda siya, ha? Medyo na-emphasize lang yung dry patches sa aking lips kasi hindi ako nakapag-scrub, guys, eh. Kaya medyo may mga dito, areas na mas dark, nagkikling siya. But I feel like kapag naman kayo, scrub ng lips, nag-prep, ganon, lip balm, everything, panigurado, sobrang smooth tingnan nito. But ayun nga, I think mas okay ito kapag talaga nakapag kayo, lip prep. And ayan, guys, this is how the lip tint looks like. For me, okay naman siya. Again, you need talaga to prep your lips para mas even tignan. But in terms of comfortability and feeling sa lips, it is very lightweight, very comfortable. It doesn't feel drying at all, which I appreciate nga. Tsaka maganda yung kulay niya kasi hindi niya ginagawang dark yung kulay ng lips. I mean, yung parang nangingitim. Okay na okay to for teens, for everyday, tapos kung gusto niyo lang nung natural na kulay sa lips. Ito yung makeup look na nagawa natin using mostly products from Cathy Doll. And I'm so happy because guys, lahat ng mga products na sinubukan natin, sobrang okay na okay. For those of you na naghahanap ng mga products na perfect for everyday, yung very wearable, hassle-free gamitin, and also affordable, be sure to check out itong mga product na sinubukan ko from Cathy Doll. Again, dito sa brow products, I really enjoyed using it because two ways nyo siyang pwedeng gamitin. Pwedeng pang natural brows and also pang intense. And also look at my brows, di ba? Kung i-compare nyo siya kapag wala akong kilay, sobrang laki ng difference because this one, ang fluffing tignan, ang kapal, and sobrang feathered. Okay na okay sa akin to guys. And again, yung shade na ginamit ko is yung shade number 02, dark brown. Ito ding powder, sobrang nagustuhan ko siya kasi diba, it looks very natural and hindi ginawang flat yung skin natin. Very true yung claim ng powder na it gives luminosity sa skin and it looks very natural talaga. These blushes as well looks amazing. Very natural, easy to blend, and hindi patchy. At saka diba, even though matte yung finish nitong powder, once you apply it sa cheeks, it doesn't look flat. Dito naman sa lip tint, for me, to be honest, okay lang siya. It's just your ordinary lip tint, ganon. But overall, it's still good. So yeah, yun guys, I'm really happy and I can guarantee that these products will be included na sa aking everyday makeup kit. May mga bago na akong gagamitin. And also, before we end this video, I just want to say na meron nga pala tayong giveaway in collaboration with Cathy Doll. And super exciting na to guys kasi 5 yung winners. Sumali kayo guys kasi sobrang bongga because 5 of you will win 1,500 pesos worth of Cathy Doll products. Kaya, if you want to try any of the product na sinubukan ko or kaya iba pang Cathy Doll products without spending even a single peso, this is the perfect opportunity. And para sumali, all you have to do guys is i-follow yung mechanics na ilalagay ko sa screen. Thank you guys so much for watching. I love you all so much. Stay safe. And I hope to see all of you again on my next one.